After feeding your baby, don't skip the burping. It's crucial. When they drink milk, they swallow air, which can lead to colic and discomfort. To prevent this, hold your baby against your shoulder and gently pat or rub their back for 5 to 10 minutes. If they fall asleep while feeding, don't lay them down right away. Use the same burping technique first. Ignoring this can result in spitting up and a fussy baby later. A simple burping routine can make all the difference, ensuring your little one sleeps soundly and stays happy after every feed. Please subscribe to Wise Parenthood for more. Happy parenting!